As we continue to review, we're going to review FOIL, which simply means your first term, your outside term, your inside term, and your last term are going to get multiplied. And so it's a way of distributing. So let's go through multiplication. So here's my first term. So I'm going to multiply my first times my first. So x times x is x squared. Then I'm going to multiply the outside. So the outside is x and negative 5. So I'm going to get a negative 5x. Then I'm going to do the inside, which is a positive 3 times an x, which gives me a positive 3x. And then my last one is 3 times negative 5, which is a negative 15. So first, outside, inside, last. And then I combine like terms. These two are like terms. So everything else will stay the same. So that becomes a negative 2x minus 15. And so I have my polynomial now by using the FOIL method. So let's go through that process again. If I take my first term and multiply by the first term in the other multiplication problem, I get 15y squared. Then I'm going to take the outside, which is the 3y, but I'm going to multiply it by the 4, so that's plus 12y. Then I'm going to do the inside, 2 times 5, so it's 10y. And then my last terms are 2 times 4, so that's 8. And when I combine like terms, which are the middle terms, I get my 15y squared, my 22y, and then 8, and I end up with my polynomial.